You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Hair has been chef's kiss. So yeah, it's really growing to be fair. So I'm looking forward to the summer, man. Just rock a fro, all that. But what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a video, another unboxing video, actually. It is Friday morning, and I just came back from my morning walk, which is honestly one of those things that I look most forward to. Just my morning walks, my coffee, the sun, simple things. As you guys know, I love training and just like trying to be as healthy as I possibly can be. And I've been on just an amazing routine right now. Like, my steps, I'm averaging, 10, 11K steps a day. I'm, trying to eat as healthy as I possibly can, in moderation. Like, I think balance is usually always a lot harder, for me. So, I'm trying to eat right and just exercise, man. And my thumb, for those of you guys that know, I broke it and it's recovering pretty well. It's not, yeah, it's just obviously my extension is probably lost, like compared to this one, as you can see. Like, this is so much better, right? And then you look at this and it's like I can bend it, but I can't really extend it. So it is what it is. It's not my first rodeo. I've been injured before. But that's not what you're here for. You're here to see me try on some clothes. So I'm gonna drink this coffee, finish it, and then we're gonna jump right into it. So stay tuned. So I just started trying some pieces on. I'll show you guys what it fully looks like with an outfit. But these are Paul Gaultier trousers, and this is a US 36. And I can guarantee you guys, I am not a waist 36, And this is just fashion these days, man. Sizes are gonna vary depending on the cut of the trousers and the material. I have this Rick Dillon top because I have an outfit in mind that I want to try on, and I'm gonna show you guys. But just wanted to quickly show you guys these trousers because I might even have to pick these up for myself. This with my accessories, my belts, all that. I actually pulled a JPG belt as well, and I'm gonna try it on with the fit and see how it looks. But beautiful pair of trousers. First outfit, which is honestly, this is uniform, right? Like, this is what I pretty much wear majority of the time. And I wanted to start with something pretty chilled, obviously. But to be honest, as I'm getting older, these uniform outfits are sort of what I'm starting to gravitate towards. I've always been into black. It's pretty much what got me started in fashion, right? And I just find, like, for me, I chase shapes, silhouettes more than anything, more than color, obviously. Even though I do try to like have a little bit of pop of color here and there. Like, let's say with this outfit here, we have these brown boots by Sanjeev, which I've been getting so much wear out of because I'm usually in black, and I found brown just goes so well with those dark colors. And we have the trousers. One thing that I really want to mention is you do not, and I repeat, these are expensive. Like, these trousers are over $1,000 Canadian, So, and in general, when it comes to style, honestly, you don't need any of the stuff that I'm trying on, and that's why I like to stress that on this channel. I like to stress the fact that, listen, if you're 20 some years old and you're just, you like style, find alternatives. Go to Zara. Even Zara now is quite expensive, but don't try to invest into your wardrobe when you're still like 21, 22, even 25. Like, work, make money, spend your money doing other things, and just invest more into your style. And in my opinion, right, when it comes to style, the way you invest into style is by being creative, right? Not by buying expensive designer clothes, that comes later, in my opinion, right? So what you want to do is you want to thrift, right? You want to shop at places like H&M, Zara. Yes, it might be a little bit more expensive now than when I was sort of like doing that. But at the end of the day, you're still kind of saving the dollar compared to like you going and getting this sort of like Rick blazer. This is the Tatlin from the Porterville collection. As you guys can see, it fits amazing. IT54 fits great. Obviously, it's a little bit tight in the arms as usual, but that's like most Rick pieces. And yeah, you can try to like, yes, you're not maybe gonna find the exact same quality, or even just the same shape, but you can definitely find a black blazer that would go really well with your wardrobe for now, and then slowly build that up, find what you really like, right, in terms of your style, and then start investing into pieces. That's how I went about it, and now, I would like to say that I have a great wardrobe. Everything that I have, I love, right? And that's the important thing, and all of this other stuff you don't really need. You just need to know what you like, right? And find alternatives and then build your style first and then eventually move into maybe designer pieces. That's just my opinion, but keep going with the outfit. So Tatlin blazer, Rick Owens. I have these sunglasses here. These are better feeling, but super simple, nothing too crazy. And I didn't even put my jewelry on because we're just trying this stuff on. And I'm gonna show you guys how I can actually elevate this look. So give me a sec. Oops, I think the belt is too small. All right, I'll wear another belt, or maybe I won't wear a belt. Let's see if this one fits. Okay, I think it fits. Or no. Does it go through both of them? Yeah, it does. What am I missing here? Both belts that I ordered do not fit. But I'll quickly show you guys. This is a good way to sort of elevate a look, especially if you're wearing all black, very dark colors. This gives it like a nice pop of color, obviously with the boots. I would have accessorized with this, but I guess I'm gonna have to find another belt. Okay, so I took off the blazer just to kind of quickly show you guys what the outfit would look like. Let's say like a summer outfit. We have just a nice fedora hat, some sunglasses, few accessories on the neck, nothing actually on my arms, and we've got the brown boots and then the trousers, obviously. And this is still styled, like style is, in my opinion, just doing something that feels right to you and comfortable. You don't have to over accessorize. Like I could walk out the door like this and I'll be totally fine not wearing rings or bracelets. Now if I wanted to elevate the look a little bit more, I could go ahead and do that, right? And then let's say in the evening, if it gets a little bit chilly and you want to add a layer on top, then all right, the layer is added. We're back to the blazer, and yeah, this would be my evening look. And this is something I'm very comfortable in. You guys have seen me wear something like this countless times. And that's it for outfit number one. All right, wish the trousers were a little bit longer, but it's fine. So this is the next outfit, and very spring. And I'm gonna start with the loafers. The loafers are actually filling pieces. These are mine, a brand that I've worked with for quite some time now, and honestly, they're doing great. Make amazing loafers. Yeah, and I usually tend to wear them obviously summer, spring, and they pair really well with my trousers. And then on speaking of trousers, we have a Momento, which is a Korean brand. As you guys know, Korea has been killing it in all aspects, really, entertainment, fashion, everything. They've just done super well. South Korea, obviously. And these trousers are good, but the only thing is I wish they were slightly longer. And they are, again, as I've previously mentioned, man, sizes are all over the place. So I noticed that some of the Asian brands obviously fit a lot smaller. So I usually have to size all the way up, like XL, double XL, whatever they have in the biggest size is what I usually take. And these I went size, I think these are size XL, which on the website it says 38, which is obviously not true. These fit more like a 33, 34, right? So they are slightly tight in the waist, and I usually prefer my trousers to be a little bit baggier than this. I actually think they look best with a loafer because I feel like if I would have paired them with a chunkier pair of shoes, it wouldn't complement the outfit well, like the outfit wouldn't flow, you know. So at least that's how I see it. And then this underlayer is a Margiela turtleneck, which is a little bit too tight on me, but it's fine because I'm just layering it. And then the lab coat. So here's the thing. This is a Rick Owens lab coat, right? But if you look at the outfit, you wouldn't think so. You know, it just blends in so well with the outfit, at least in my opinion, and looks really good with the hat. I'll get to the hat. And this is the thing about clothes, is that once you sort of enjoy styling your pieces, you can really do anything. Rick doesn't have to go with Rick, right? Like I have on a pair of filling, like my outfit is all over the place in terms of brands, but in terms of what it looks like put together, in my opinion, it looks great, right? And that's the objective of being more so focused on styling rather than wearing branded clothing. Whenever I shop, whenever I am dressing up, I try to think about, okay, how can I have the whole outfit kind of flow, right? Where everything makes sense together. You see what I'm saying? So that's, to me, that's what I love so much about styling, you know, in general, is that it has nothing to do with brands. It just has to do with you figuring out what works for you, your proportions, and just leaning more towards that, you know? So this is a lab coat by Rick Owens, fits perfectly. It's an IT54, and I just sort of love how it kind of flares out a little bit, complements the pants really well. The hat is a woman's hat. It's a brand based out of Ukraine. We just recently did a product knowledge on it, and I wasn't familiar with the brand, but I really loved the hats. And as you guys know, I've always been into hats, but recently I've been incorporating hats into my styling a lot. So I wanted to try this on, and honestly, super happy with it. It pairs really well with these Cobram sunglasses that I wear all the time. And that's it on the outfit. It's shoot day. We're lucky because we have a beautiful day today. It's like 7-10 degrees. It's warm. So I actually have the second outfit that I was showing you guys on the vlog. So we're gonna go shoot it now. Obviously, as much as I love YouTube, I also gotta shoot Instagram and potentially TikTok content. TikTok not as much. Like I think I'll focus more on Instagram and YouTube, just because Instagram I still enjoy. Like I was saying, Instagram I still enjoy the pictures, and actually I feel like pictures have been performing the same way they used to perform back then. And yeah, just have fun with it. Very lucky today. Like, we've had such a bad winter, so it's been difficult for me to shoot. And right now, the weather couldn't be more perfect, especially with the outfit that I'm wearing. Like, this is pure spring. I thought it was like 7-8 degrees, but it's actually like 13, 14. Yeah, you don't realize how important the weather is when you do content and fashion and all that. Shit. Until you have good weather, and then you realize, okay, this is why I haven't been shooting, because the weather has been shit. I like this outfit a lot. This is like my everyday uniform. Second outfit, it's a full leather look. It's a Ludan long coat and my leather trousers from Rick. So yeah, I think this is probably gonna conclude the video because this video was getting way too long. So I'm gonna save the outfits for the next video, you know. So so we keep running with the content, but yeah.
Okay, oh yes.
Think it's good? All right, so just finished. The shooting went really well. Very productive morning. We got some content, shot 2 outfits. I have a bunch of other outfits that are in my draft right now, so I'm good on content for some time. And just took advantage of the day, man. It's nice out, 13, 14 degrees. Now, I think that's it for today. Okay, so this is the full look. I went back to the JPG trousers, and this, to be honest, the shirt has obviously like a great silhouette, like I said, and complements the trousers really well. But I would this is still, in my opinion, like a pretty simple outfit. Like the details are probably in how the trousers fit. Obviously, we've got sort of the barrel shape. They fit super well in the waist. And what I did is I added a pop of color on the shoes. I wanted to go with a pair of black boots, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do brown just so you can kind of see how the trousers sit on the boots. And that's something that I like to do a lot. And I've been really enjoying pairing my black trousers with these Sanj brown boots. Goes really well with pretty much all my trousers and offers that nice pop of color. And then now, obviously, yes, I could have definitely added some rings just to kind of elevate the look a little bit. And then at the top, obviously, we have the shirt. And like I said, a Vivienne Westwood shirt. Drop shoulders, fits really well. The thing is, I was thinking of adding something to this outfit, but I'm like, I kind of do want the shirt I do want the shirt to be the element that stands out. So obviously, if I add a layer, then that defeats the purpose. But you could do that, add a blazer or a bomber. If it's a little bit cold outside. I feel like something is missing. I just don't know what. Because the shirt is really nice, but I don't know, like maybe more accessories would do the job. But let me know what you guys think. Yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I don't have time to shoot more looks because this video is getting pretty long already. But if you guys enjoyed this one, do make sure to subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.